right?
Yeah, it smells pretty good.
I have no clue. I feel like it kind of feels like a green pepper.
Some type of exotic fruit.
I'm gonna guess that it's in the onion family though. I feel like it like has like a random onion aftertaste.
Is it dragon fruit?
I mean, I have no clue what this is. I've never tried it. I ate the whole thing, so it's good.
Why it's so gooey? I don't know, you ever like drop the Oreo cookie in your milk
Wow, that's an awkward texture.
and then you like retrieved it at the end of your glass of milk? That's what it tastes like as a feel, texture-wise.
If a watermelon and a beet had a baby, it would taste like this. That's my guess.
This is dragon fruit. Haha. Let me eat one more.
I mean, this is for sure just grapes. It's pretty good though.
I feel the texture of it. I eat grapes all the time.
I definitely taste something in there.
I feel like it was infused with cotton candy.
I mean, because you said childhood, I'm gonna guess cotton candy.
There ain't no such thing as cotton candy grapes. I'm sorry.
I'm gonna set these aside and keep those, yeah.
You only got green grapes and red grapes. And the real big fat grapes. Okay, all right.
This already just feels like granola.
It's some type of granola.
What is that, the popcorn that they sell at like baseball games? It's like caramel popcorn
Got a little caramel in here.
with the hint of coconut.
Yeah, you might as well put X on this video right here.
It tastes like coconut granola popcorn.
Coconut? Let me where that cup at. Yeah, I like them grapes though. I get it. Yeah, y'all got some more of those?